Uh,
Okay. Bye-bye. Bye.
I waited you in Zoom. Sorry because the no, not the internet. The laptop just shut down and I don't know why. So I turned it on again. Okay, so let's continue. Okay, we've got, so we start, okay, how many, I will say how many hours did we have? Oh, we have the past, okay, for a while, I need to check. I guess we have 15 minutes then. So 15 minutes plus 15 minutes. So I guess we have okay. Okay. 15 minutes. So let's get, so we'll start here. I will give you 5 points automatically for the first one, that one, for 5 points. So let's move to the next. This is 5 points already. Okay, wait. This is what? Is that kept extra test-free? Okay. So we have here, Kayo. This is, you got 5 points here already. So just add 5 points automatically. Let's go here now. Okay, sorry. You put 5 points. Oh, I considered you 5 points. So 1172 plus 5. Okay, and 54 plus 1. Okay, it's time for you to answer now.
What?
Okay.
Okay.
You update now, you add 5 points automatically, okay? That's your bonus.
Okay. Okay.
Michael, what's this? Didn't blank what kind of present to get his sister. Didn't? No, very good. His sister liked photograph, but she already had the camera. Like making, putting, or taking?
Taking.
Of course, it's taking a picture. He wanted to get her a TV, but that meant spending too much money. Okay, 9. He asked a friend
Money.
to help because the problem was making him afraid, unhappy, or difficult. Making him
Difficult.
unhappy. She's not unhappy anymore. Michael's sister told him it didn't blank what present he gave her. What's the answer? Prepare, mind, or matter. What's that?
Matter.
Very good, Kiyo. Matter. You really know the answer. Wow, very smart. You know, yeah. Okay, you've got 4 points. I will add here 4. Plus 1 bonus. Okay, let's move to the next. Okay, so we have here, Kayo, you have to complete the 5 conversations. So for that, we have here some of the words that you need to answer. Okay, read properly. Okay, these are the questions. Are you going to get up soon? In a minute? Not long or forever? What's your answer? Let's see if your answer is correct. In a minute. Oh, what's this? My God. The answer is in a minute. Yeah, because you are here, Kyo, you are explaining about the time. So that's in a minute. My aunt is going to stay with me. How do you do? How long for? How was it?
How long from?
Very good, Kyo. Did you understand what she was saying?
Not really.
Oh, very good. Nice to meet you, Susanna.
Yes, and you.
Yes, and you? Yes, I have. I think so. Yes, and you. Are you free this Tuesday?
I can be
B.
if it important.
Okay, I can be if it's important. Sorry, I'm late. Or not very often. Okay, that's the answer. Oh, very good. 5 points. Kayo, 5 points. Okay, how many your points? It's 14.
Plus 5 equal 1,186.
86. Okay, very good, Kaya. Okay, you add that one. Maybe teacher will forget about that. Okay, now look at this one. This is a conversation about some homework. What does Raya say to Joel? Let us discover here. Let us check what is Raya is trying to say to Joel. Okay, here kayo. Go, Kyo. I know you can do it. Oh, we still have a lot of time, so please think.
Okay, I'm finished.
Okay. Let's have this. Okay. I'm fine, but I've got lots of homework to do tonight. What's your answer, Keo?
D.
You read your answer, please.
Really? So why aren't you at home studying?
Okay, letter D. Very good. Okay, 17. Because my computer is not working, I'm going to my cousin's house to use hers. The answer is letter C. How
D.
far
How
away
far away
is
is
that?
that?
Number, it's a short journey on the bus. Okay, the answer?
I live 5 minutes from here. Why don't you come and use my computer?
Okay. Are you sure? Don't you need it this evening?
I've finished all my homework for tomorrow.
Very good. One more, Keo. Have you even the math? I can't understand any of it.
It's quite easy, really. I'll help you.
Wow. 5 points. Perfect. Yay. Okay. So 5 points. So you have, what's that? It's, where is it? Okay, picture and where is it? See? It's 1,000. Okay, here. 1,186 and you have 57 bonus. 1186 plus 5. Okay. So now you will have to read the article. Keo, we need to read this one. So read the article about some beautiful old cups. You know what is cups?
Yes.
Okay, the one you use in drinking coffee or tea. That's a cup. Now, the missing cup. Oh, the cup is missing. Okay. So, what you're going to do first? Are you going to read first? Okay, we will read it together. I will help you to read and understand so that you will not forget it. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, number 1. Listen. The missing cups. When I was young, my parents moved from California to Illinois with me and my 2 sisters. Okay, they moved from California to Illinois. Listen. We all helped my mother pack everything from our old house into the boxes. Oh, they helped their mother pack everything, Kyo, from old house to boxes. Inside, 3 of the boxes were my grandmother's special cups. Okay. Inside, 3 of the boxes were my grandmother's special cups, bowls, and plates. There are 3. They were special because my grandmother is a clever artist. Painted them herself with a lovely pattern of blue flowers. Again, they were special because my grandmother, a clever artist, painted them herself with a lovely pattern of blue flowers. Okay, so that's become special. Her mother is a clever artist. Okay. Okay. Sadly, one of those 3 boxes, there are 3, right? One of the boxes, 3 boxes was lost. We never got the cups, but the plates and the bowls arrived safely. Only the cups lost. Okay. We use them on special holidays in the year, like birthday. We remembered those cups and were sad that we did not have them anymore. So what was lost?
Missing cup.
The cups was missing. Okay. Why it becomes special, Keo? Why the cup is special?
Because they use That was a special day in the year, like a birthday.
Very good. And then they were special because it was from her
Grandmother.
Okay, who is a clever
Art.
artist. Okay, and painted them herself with a lovely pattern of blue flowers. So the cups was painted by her grandmother. That is why it's very special. So we have here some of the word plate, artists, and remember. Okay, now 10 years later, I decided to go to the university in California. That was 10 years later. It was very old already. In my first summer there, okay, a friend asked me to spend the day at the antique market with her. Okay. So after 10 years, the cup is already missing. The cup is already lost, Keo. So after 10 years, the girl went to university in California. So during the summer, her friend said, okay, we will go to the antique market. You know what is antique? You know what is that? You know what is antique?
I don't know what is antique.
Antique market, these are the place we can see or you can see old things. Old things, very old. At first, I didn't want to go. Oh, I don't like to go. But I finally agreed. And we had great day. They're looking around. So they went to antique market. There were many old and interesting things for sale. We were just leaving when I saw a woman selling 12 beautiful cups. 12 beautiful cups with a pattern of blue flowers. Oh, that is their cups. I looked closely and saw they were my grandmother's cups. Oh my God. What happened maybe? Oh, so that cup is not lost. It was stole from them. Maybe, yeah, somebody get it during the shipping. When they ship the cups, somebody get the one bags. And it's in the...
A woman.
Yeah, a woman. It's in the antique market already. Okay, do you understand now?
Yes.
Okay, I think you can answer now. Okay, you answer.
Finish, teacher.
Okay, let's see here. So, we have here the writer's grandma. Oh, what's your answer?
C.
Okay, C. Oh, let's see. Letter C is your answer. The writer's grandmother asked an artist to paint the cups, plates, and bowls for her. The answer is letter
C.
Okay, here, letter B. Your answer is correct. Okay, next, number 22. Some of the plates and bowls were broken when they arrived.
Wrong.
Wrong. Okay. The family forgot all about the grandmother's cups. Wrong. They don't forget it. They remember it. Okay, 2 points kayo. Okay, continue reading. You've got 2 points there. Ako continue.
Okay.
You've got 2 points there. I consider the first one. Because teacher is very good.
Okay.
Answer kayo.
Okay. Okay, teacher. What do you say?
Okay. The writer went to the market alone in her first summer in California. Wrong. Very good. Correct. Okay, you've got 3 points now. The writer enjoyed looking at things for sale at the market. Did she enjoy looking at the things for sale at the market? Right. The writer paid a lot of money to buy the cups at the market.
Wow.
It doesn't say. Okay. So you've got 3 points for this, Kiyo. Okay. Here. Okay. You write 3? Wait for a while. Where's my pencil? My ball pen? Somebody get it and did not return. Okay, where is it? Okay. So you've got, what's the next? Yeah. You got 3? 3 plus what else, Kiyo? Did I get 5? How many?
Is 1,194.
1194. Okay, next. Here, teacher will. Okay, here. I know you can answer that. You have tried your best and it's very good. Okay, here. Okay, now here, Kayo. Okay. Read the article about the ships and choose the best word that you think it's correct. You read it and you will have to choose it here. Okay. So we'll read it together. Our teacher Anne will read and you will have to think what will be. Okay. Or you will copy here. Okay. Can you take note of the
And
things?
copy.
Okay. Very good. That's good idea. That will make you perfect, Keo. I'm sure. Go. Ricardo na ready ang singin ka dito. Ricardo na ready. Kung maabot ka 10,000 atong pangita na sa Shopee. Kasi makakalit sa Shopee. Ano yung tangkod na sa amin? Di mambante. Okay. Ano? Pila mo. Ano? Minta? Kasi barang ito rin yung anggan. Yung anggan. Ano? Dito din. Pila sa iba na.
Okay.
Okay. Okay kayo? So you're done? Okay, it's time. Oh, sorry. Okay, it's time for you to answer now. Go, Keo. What happened, Keo? Your internet is not good or the computer?
I changed it.
Ah, okay.
My computer is not good, then I changed to my brother computer. I can move.
Okay, okay. You answer now.
Okay.
What is your answer for number 1, Keo?
My so far number 1 is this.
What is your answer?
This.
Okay. Let's see here. Sorry. Them. Next.
It.
It. Next.
Many.
Next.
Little.
Okay, next.
Carried.
Carried. Next. Correct? Correct?
Some. So, yeah, I'm correct.
Oh, you're all correct? You're all correct?
Yeah. See?
You're all correct, Iyo? It's 7, 8, 2, 3, 8, 2, 3. So,
Yeah.
8 to 9, 30.
You
Are you
see
all
that?
correct? 9:30 pa din.
Yeah.
Okay, very good. Correct? Really?
Okay,
Okay.
I said 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
How much
6,
your scores? Your scores is?
equal 100.
100? That's 1, 2, 3, 4,
One-
5, 6, 7, 8.
Wait,
8.
1,201.
Okay, 12. Okay. 1,202. 1,202, Kiyo. Okay. Now, let us here read the description of some things you can see in the countryside. Okay. Some things that you can see in the countryside. And let's hear about that. Okay, it's here. Okay, here. Fill up the correct kill. We still have time. Don't worry, take your time.
Teacher, may I speak?
You write because, okay, you speak now. Later you will write, okay? This one you will speak, okay? People live in this place, but it is not as big as town.
Village.
Village, let's see. Okay. It may be quite dark here because there are so many trees.
Forest.
Forest, very good. You can walk up and down this and they are smaller than mountains.
Hill.
Okay. There are thousands of different kinds of this and flies are one example. It's the insect. And if there is a river, you will need to walk over this to cross.
Bridge.
Oh, very good. Kaya boy, very good. Bridge. Okay, what's the score?
Bridge.
Plus 5. 102 plus 5. Okay. You're right there. Okay. In this one, okay, you will have to complete this message. So you have to write this one. And Left on the Internet by Sarah Lewis. Okay. Write one word only for each space. Okay. You try your best to answer this one and think you, I know you can do it. Think of it. I know you're very good in writing and I know you're very good with grammar.
My name is Sarah. Teacher. Teacher, what is
Is what is what? What is
yes?
this one? Lewis? Come
This
again. Ah, actress. Actress. It's a famous girl like actor. They are the one who are famous actress. They are the one who do the drama, who sing, who dance. They will be acting. They will act on the movie. The one in the movie, they are actress for the girl, actor for the boy.
Okay.
Okay, let's see here. So my name is Sarah Lewis and I am 14 years old. Okay. I live in the center of, okay, 14 years old, center of Toronto, Canada. When I grow up, I want to be or become an actress. My
Wait,
father,
I think it's C.
okay, what's your answer? My father, when I grow up, I want to see I want to be an actress. My father do not think this is a good idea. Are you sure do or does? Father is only one. So are you sure it's do or does?
Does.
Okay, let's see. Okay, does. You answer 43 does. I give you a chance already. Oh, okay. When I grow up, I want to be an actress. My father does not think this is a good idea. He is a doctor and he wants me, let's see, me to study medicine at the university. But I know I won't like medicine. Okay. I have science lessons at school and
It
it are boring.
it
Are you sure it are boring? I have
It
science
are
lesson at school and it is singular. It are boring. Are you sure? It or they? What's the
they.
correct? Oh, you change your answer. 45. It is singular. So you have to change that one.
Okay.
Okay, they are boring. Okay. I like to travel all around. I am like to travel around the world. What is the correct? I am like to travel around the world or I would or I will. What's the correct? What's your answer, Keo? I am like to travel all around the world. Are you sure I am? Okay. I would like to travel around the world. And I only been to Europe once. We usually spend our holiday. I have been. We usually spend our holidays in Canada, but this year you may visit Australia. Please write an email to me about, oh, you got only 2 mistakes. So how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Minus 2. 11 minus 2.
9.
Okay, you put there 9.
Plus
5 plus 9 is 14. Okay. 1,202 plus 14. It's 1,216. You've got 1, 2, 3, 57 bonus. Okay. 57 bonus. Okay, you've got 57 bonus. Okay, Kiyo. Wait for a while. Wow, Kiyo, very good. For a while.
teacher is already 8:28.
Okay, not yet because you are out from a moment. This is last activity. Read the letter and take note about sculpture. This is the last one, 5 points, okay? Please read and take note the correct, okay? Go, Kiyo. This is the last. Make it perfect again.
I okay.
Here. Susanna Taylor. The name of the student is Susanna Taylor. What class is that? It's class kayo 3A and 4A. Okay. The trip is to where? Where is the trip? To
Blackford.
It's Blackford. Okay. Walton Zoo, Blackford. Oh, Blackford Castle or Walton Zoo, the same. 53. It is traveled by a train or by a bus. Very good, Kayo. And the date of the trip is on
On
15th of
December.
December. Okay. 6th of January, sorry. And then the cost is how much? 10 pounds or 15 pounds. Okay. So you got 4 points. You right there, Kiyo? Kiyo, for 1,220 plus 58 bonus. Okay. Kiyo?
Okay, so goodbye now.
Okay, for now, do you have question?
No.
Okay, are we done? Okay, so goodbye, Kiyo.
Goodbye, teacher.
Okay, see you tomorrow.